Hi guys, I hope you all are doing good. I'm back with the new project and so excited to share with you guys how I made my canvas. What do we need? We need a canvas. I made my own canvas, got the wood from the hardware store, sheet from Amazon, put them together. And what else you need? You need the heavy duty stapler to staple the frame and this is it. You guys can see in the back. Now what product we need to make the canvas? We need sponge brushes, glitter, black glitter, crushed glass, silver acrylic paint, black acrylic paint, gray paint, white paint, and gray paint. So white's in the cup because I made my own gray color by adding on black and white color, just to make sure that it's going with my walls. I spreaded all the gray color in stripe on my canvas. Gonna do the same thing with the white color, spread it all over the canvas in stripe. It's all freehand spread. It doesn't have to be perfect. Now we're gonna do the same thing with the black and the silver metallic paint. Let's spread the silver metallic all over the canvas in stripe. Now we are going to brush it. You have to make sure your brush is damp or wet before we start brushing, top to bottom. Top to bottom, brush your entire canvas. We did the same thing, repeat the same spreading from top to bottom to our entire canvas. Again, we cannot do it in the middle. It's gonna leave the strikes. So we have to follow the same top to bottom for the entire canvas. Now we're gonna do the edges after making sure everything is fully done in the front of the canvas. So we're gonna do the same top to bottom on the side of our canvas. Spread it well, all four sides of our canvas. After painting the edges, we are gonna let it dry for a couple of hours. This is how it looks like after let it dry for 2 hours. It's ready to go on the wall, but I would like to add some more glitter. We are gonna start with the German glue. Pour the German glue on the canvas and then let's spread it. I'm tilting it to get that dripping shape in our canvas because that's the design I'm gonna do with the glitter. Now we're gonna spread it well with the sponge brush. It's a freehand spread. We are going to spread our white glue. Again, you guys can pick up any design. I decided to put it on top of my canvas in a dripping style. We have to make sure that our glitter is spread well, otherwise the our glue is stick well, otherwise the glitter is gonna fall off. Now let's start sprinkling the glitter. Don't forget the edges because we're gonna cover the edges with the glitter as well. Be generous with the glitter when we are putting the glitter on the canvas. We are gonna repeat the same process on the other half of the canvas. It looks so beautiful and sparkly. Let it dry. This is how it looks like after putting the glitter on the canvas, on the full canvas. Now what we have to do, we have to let it dry for 30 minutes. And after that, I'm gonna get any paper and I'm going to press very gentle the glitter on the canvas. Why I'm doing that, just to make sure that my glitter is sticking with the glue and it's not gonna come off. This is how it's gonna look like after making it dry for a couple of hours. I'm gonna make it stand on a sheet or a paper and dust it off to take off all the extra glitter. Don't forget to subscribe and like the channel if you guys like today's video. Stay tuned for the upcoming project. Have a good one.